Welcome back to the Mortgage Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie lending team. So pre-COVID numbers, age groups 18 to 29, 46% of them were living at home with their parents. Now that we're post-COVID, that number has jumped up to 52%. So remember, the narrative we want to sell to them is that they don't need 20% down to buy a home. All they need is 3.5 or 3 if they're going to use a conventional loan. So it's very possible that they've been living with their parents and their parents want them out of that house. I know mine would. And it's possible that their parents might be willing to help them bridge the gap if they're short on down payment or closing costs. Because remember, the longer they wait, the less money they make on appreciation, and the more they may end up spending if the interest rates increase. So we want to set some urgency into them, let them know that now is the time. Have you ever heard of a PIW? It's called a property inspection waiver. So if a borrower is using 20% down on a conventional loan, we run this through DU, the electronic underwriting. Sometimes it tells us when it comes back that the property does not need to have an appraisal. So picture you're making an offer in a multiple offer situation. The other guy's got a VA, but you have got a conventional loan. You can say, my borrower never needs to do an appraisal. How much better of an offer, stronger of an offer can you make? There's no moment of truth when an appraisal comes back, and it's almost as good as cash at that point, and your borrower saves money on top of it. This is a win-win-win situation. So if your borrower has their own money for down payment, they're not borrowing, or if they've saved enough for 20% down, you want to present this to them as a viable option. Say, look, we're going to put this offer next to cash because we know we're never going to need to cross the line as far as an appraisal comes. So I'm going to put myself out there a little bit. I'm currently 204 pounds. 204 pounds does not sit well on me. I got COVID fat and complacent, and I haven't been able to knock the weight off. I'm hoping that by posting this here that you will have to be accountable to this video. And so every day I'm going to post how much I weigh that morning. And I'll let you know what I'm trying to do to keep my weight down. And if any of you guys want to join me on this little journey, feel free. I can post your weights up here if you want. I don't really have to if you don't want me to either. But this is gone far enough here. Join me today at 12 o'clock on Zoom. I'll be doing a class on USDA. There's 0% down loans. Keep in mind that USDA and VA loans are the only 0% down options that there are anymore. We've lost all of our down payment assistance programs. So you want to know about the eligibility zones, maximum household incomes, things like that. If you would like me or Lily to join you on your podcast or video, please let us know. We would love to join in with you. So you have another certified professional to sit there and do your market reports or do any of your videos you want to do. I'm more than happy to sit in on those and have a conversation with you. Check us out at lilydemarie.com. Got a bunch of really good resources there. Check us out on YouTube where I have all these videos backed up. Just type in my name and check us out on Instagram, and I'll see you tomorrow.